But I just want to let y'all know that those are rules that they didn't tell us about. You feel me? So make sure y'all read them rules. Read all the rules on prop firms. Read all the rules. That's why they be sneaky. They sneaky. What's good with y'all young boys, man? Kevo gang, we back in the building with another trading video. You feel me? And today, man, y'all read from the title. I'm gonna be teaching y'all boys how to pass any prop firm challenge game. You feel me? This is way better than my last one. You feel me? Now this is the new one because I just did it. You feel? I just give me a round of applause because man, it's been a journey, man. It's been a journey with this prop firm challenge, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. So look, just for a quick little update, I've been doing this prop firm challenge for this account for 134 days. Hold on, because they kept giving me new accounts and all this other stuff, man. She did say 56 days. It's really longer than that. This 56 days. They kept giving me different accounts. I didn't fail none of them. I just did 62 days. You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't know why they kept giving me new accounts, because they kept switching brokerages. You feel me? Like, literally, like, I can put up the emails that I'm saying, like, oh, this is your new login to your new account, and I'm gonna put it all up on. Originally, I've been doing two prop firm challenges, right? I started one with the Funded Trader. I blew that one, and then I also was doing one with Lux Trader from Look. I'm gonna tell you everything what happened. So the reason why I took so long and it was taking so long with the challenge anyways was because I was still trying to find myself. I was still trying to figure out consistency. You feel me? I was still trying to figure out the psychology aspect of trading and actually being disciplined and having like structure. I had no structure at first, literally. So that's why it took me so long to do this. Changing my risk, I kept trying to risk more than I risk less. Like I was like wishy-washy, like I wasn't confident. Like that's literally all I was missing was confidence. I had no confidence for real in myself. Now look, let me tell you how I did a 360. I did a 360 because I started reading books. I started working out. I just started loving myself again. So that's why I took a break from YouTube, period. Now look, when I came back, starting to do the prop firm challenges with my confidence and starting to back test more and just really have faith in my strategy and God, I started to do good, as you can see. Now look, this is how I started. Now look, this is how I started again. Now look, this is the first ever account that they gave me. You feel me? I did not blow the account. Now look at this effort. Look at this equity curve, gang. Look at this equity curve. Look at this. Like this is boom and bust. Like this little stretch right here, I was doing decent, right? I'm doing decent this little stretch. Look, I'm doing decent. You start the account at 25,000, right? This is a $25,000 account. If you want an account, you could go with my link down below and click the link to get an account with Lux. But I'm gonna tell you something about Lux before you do that, because I don't really even fuck with Lux like that. I'm gonna show y'all why. But anyway, this was when I wasn't consistent. I was booming and busting. I was doing stupid stuff. Like, look, you see the equity curve, right? Terrible. Like, look at it. It's terrible, trash. But look, I never hit this red line. See, I never failed it. I was just negative on the account, just terrible, negative. So boom, I'm all the way negative. Now I started bringing the account back. This was around the end of May. Now April 28th is when I started to, you feel me, read books and starting to really like dig deep into my own self and figure out what my strengths and weaknesses was, right? It was April 28th. I'll never forget the day. That's the day I became profitable. April 28th of 2023. Boom. Literally, it's right here. Look, you see it on the screen? April 28th. That's literally when I first started hitting they ass. I go on a long 3-month winning streak game from April all the way to June 16th. That's like 2 months and a half, a couple weeks. Feel me? I started going crazy. Then this when I started being undisciplined. Melting the account, tweaking, not disciplined. That's that account. Then they ended up giving me another account because they switched brokerages. I don't know why they kept switching brokerages, but they was. Now this is the second account right here. Boom. Second account. Now look, this is the second account right here. I was still doing good. As y'all can tell, I was down on the account before. Boom. I start booming and busting, going up and down, choppy. Not being disciplined, folks. Equity curve, not gonna lie, gang. You could try to flex like you all that, but your equity curve not gonna lie. It tells a lot about a trader. I'm not gonna lie to you. So boom, I'm doing good. risking high, losing, being basically break even. Then right here, I started to get stagnant right here. Start going sideways and I start tweaking. Confidence, tweaking. Not being disciplined. Boom, fall. Not being disciplined. Boom. So that's that account. Never failed. See the bottom, never failed. Failed. Boom. Now this the account I actually passed right here. Y'all can see the equity curve. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Give me a round of applause, man. Give me a round of applause, man. Give me a round of applause, man. Please. Thank you. But anyways, yeah, man. This equity curve on here. I started right here. I started bad right here. This now this is from the last account. They just literally just give you a whole new account, the same thing. You don't start fresh. You start exactly what you was left off from. You feel me? So boom. Started at 24,274. And I just did it, man. Flying colors left to right. You feel me? Literally, bro. Finished the account. I'm gonna show everything down now. They don't show it on here no more. The like 100% balance and all that. They don't show it on here no more. What the fuck? But I beat this challenge in 14 days. See 14. Then this the stuff right here. Why didn't let me go on? There you go. Then the trades right here. You see how the trades right here? Like, y'all see that, man. Stop playing with me, man. Y'all see that, man. Y'all see. Y'all see. I don't even gotta say nothing. Y'all see. Y'all see. For Shorsky. Come on now. We in. Stop playing. But anyways, man. So boom. So I end up passing the account. I was excited a little bit, but I wasn't really excited. I was like, okay, I'm ready to get to the phase 2. So you feel me? Start making this bread for real. So boom. As soon as I thought, you feel me? I'm on stage 2. I passed the account. They hit me with some BS. They literally hit me with some BS, bro. They say, oh, you didn't follow our rules. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here. I could read that for yourself and put up on the screen right there. Yeah, so that's what they said to me, man. They basically said that it was a rule saying that I had to place a stop loss in before I actually take a position. And then they said my risk was high risk trading, and I didn't keep my same lot size throughout the whole challenge. Like, what? So I was like, okay, bro, like it kind of was like a slap in the face. It was like, bro, like, y'all really gonna do me like that? As I took literally from March all the way to now to figure myself out to do this thing. Y'all gonna do that? Like, damn, like, y'all could have been told me I'll blown the account when I wasn't doing it to start or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all could have reached out and said, hey, you're not, you know, you feel me, placing your stop losses in or anything like that. Y'all didn't give a nigga a warning, nothing like that. Y'all tell a nigga to read the rules. Like, damn, that's a goofy ass rule if you ask me, because I was using stop losses. I just wasn't placing them before I got into the market. Like, you know how like you load up your MC4 and you put in stop loss and like that, then say buy enter. You feel me? I wasn't putting my stop loss in when I press buy. How I was doing, I put my lot size in and I press buy. Then I enter my stop loss. You feel me? Because I'm trying to get in at the price that I want to get in at. I'm not trying to do that, type it in and go. You feel me? Like, I don't be doing all that, bro. Like, I'm not trading on my computer right now. I'm trading off my phone and my tablet. I'm not trading off my computer for real. Because I want to get, you feel me, magic keys and all that shit like that. You feel me? Like, that's another video. But anyways, man, y'all see what happened to me with the prop firm, man. I finally passed it. It should touch it. I don't know why it's not touching it. But I literally passed the prop firm. If y'all don't believe me, y'all can add these numbers up, man. Y'all go back, add the numbers up. It should say 26,500. But I passed the challenge though. I don't know why. It should say like the thing at the bottom like 100%, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, this new one. See, look, boom. So they gave me a new account right now. This is the account where I'm at right now. Literally just had my first trading day today. Today is literally my first day trading. I'm up on an account on the $84 right now. You feel me? The trades right here, man. I lost one trade. I won this trade right here. That was a nasty trade. I'm gonna try that trade too. Actually, trade breakdown. I'll try the strategy. But yeah, man. So yeah, that's pretty much how I did it. But let me get y'all the sauce though. So really, it's really simple how to pass these challenges, man. So Lux Trading Farm is for serious traders, for real, like really serious traders. Like you want this to do for like a 9 to 5, like you want to trade for a hedge fund or some shit. That's why they're so strict. They're super strict. So I wouldn't recommend Lux unless you really want to be serious about trading using small ass lot sizes, obeying by their rules. You feel me? And doing it like that, which is no problem. Like I'm still gonna do it. You feel me? I'm gonna follow their rules and do it and all that. You feel me? Like that or whatever, and get the payouts. But I just want to let y'all know that those are rules that they didn't tell us about. You feel me? So make sure y'all read them rules. Read all the rules on prop firms. Read all the rules. That's why they be sneaky. They sneaky. You feel me? But anyways, man, this is how you pass the prop firms. You pass the prop firms simply by...
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this straight to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And that being a fucking till you fucking know me. I'm capital gang in this bitch, 100 count away. Bitch, we in this bitch, T every fucking day.